original Regal Baby. Pero ang first movie ko with Regal, 1981, kaka-graduate ko lang ng college, yung Schoolgirls. Or I was in college that time. Pero hindi ko pa nami-meet si Mother. Ang kumuha sa akin yung director, the late Mario J. De Los Reyes. And then I continued my schooling, college. Hanggang sa na-inlove ako sa movies. Then I've been watching films from Regal until I met Mother Lily. And I did a couple of films for Regal, pero hindi talaga ako Regal Baby. Pero yung talagang nangyari sa akin, after a while, I was invited in the house of Mother. I met her. And then I became a member of their club, yung Wednesday Club usually. It's an eating, drinking, chismis, family club. And doon ho ako naging very, very close kay Mother. And I've seen her legendary stories about her, how she deals with people, nakakatawa, gano'n. Na-realize ko yung genius ni Mother when she's dealing with people. Being a film producer and producing 5 to 8 films during that time, a week, and talking to the most brilliant minds in the country, brilliant directors, brilliant writers, nakakabaliw ho yun. And talking to line producers, actors, different iba-ibang personalities. So si Mother, parang I think na-master niya yung pakikipag-deal with different types of people. And na-realize ko na iba-iba yung dealings na, but she gets what she wants. That's how she became, the most successful producer in our country. She has like more than 1,000 titles under Regal Films, and she has helped a lot of people, including myself. I really became very close to her. Kahit wala akong sinasabi sa kanya, alam niya may problema ako. And wala siyang sinasabi, wala siyang ginagawa, pero bigla na lang magkakaroon ng resolution yung problema ko through her. Ganun ho ka-sensitive si Mother. And then, she's also funny because she always calls me her DI. Because there was a time when she wanted to dance, and I'm a very good dancer, so I would dance with her movies. So palagi niya ako ginagawang DI, yun ang tawag niya sa akin. Then after a week, I will have a new film assignment. Yun ang biroan namin ni Mother. And nakakamiss yung mga ganon. So Wednesday Club, we would stay until 3 in the morning. At 1 a.m., Mother would start working out habang nagkikwentuhan kami about new films, about chismis, about other things. At 1 a.m., pasabutin kami ng 3, kwento-kwento lang, and then we would eat again. Ang sarap-sarap ng pakiramdam na nung time. So yun ang mga nakakamiss talaga. And tonight, huwag doon kayo magreklamo. I'm not really a singer. Favorite singer ako ni Mother. Kaya wala ko kayong karapatan magreklamo ngayon. A lot of my friends are telling me, don't give the mic to Ricky. Kasi graduate siya ng AIM. Ayaw ipasa ang mic. But favorite na singer po ako ni Mother. So, wala po kayong magagawa kundi umupo, makinig, and hopefully magustuhan niyo to. This song that I'm going to sing is a Tagalog translation of a French song. She likes this. And sana magustuhan ninyo. Maestro Marcy.